All right, happy Monday. Let's go through three things today. First off, let's start with a crazy week that was last week, and what are we looking forward to this week? Last week, we saw a sell-off of some traditional risk-on investments, some fintech, some e-commerce, some micro caps, stuff that had kind of doubled and tripled and quadrupled, took a big step back. Some of those players, those high flyers, stepped back, and what did people buy? They replaced them with some large cap. Some Canadian banks had a good week. Oil and gas had a good week. Some of the forgotten players. There's some earnings this week: Vermilion Energy, SNC Lavalin, Empire, Linamar, Shaw, Tourmaline. A lot of Canadian companies reporting earnings this week. Also watching some data this week. So we're going to be getting the OECD data on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we're talking about the US CPI data. Bank of Canada is going to release its interest rate decision on Wednesday. Thursday is jobless claims, and Friday is wholesale trade and industrial capacity. So we will be reporting on that for you right here. Lock and load, tune in to see that. Second story I'm following is oil prices. Specifically, Brent crude popped yesterday and today and kind of touched above $70 for the first time in over a year. More importantly, if you're a Canadian, WCS, Western Canada Select, that's how we measure a barrel of oil in Canada, especially in Western Canada. It continues to be up. It was up another $2.50 today, trading at 54.26. That's up 5%. That is the highest that I remember seeing it. I'm looking at a 5-year chart here. It's the highest point in 5 years, and I believe it's like a 6 or 7 year high. So Canadian oil is more in demand than it's ever been. If you recall, 1 year ago, right now, Canadian oil was negative prices. We're now seeing it at $55. Very, very good news for the Canadian producers of oil. Finally, stocks making headlines here. First, let's start with Disney. Disney over the weekend, they announced that they're open. They're going to be able to open their theme park starting April 1st in California. So that's big news. Obviously, they generate a lot of revenue from their theme parks. Separately, their movie Raya and the Last Dragon topped the box office with 8 million in ticket sales. 8 million. Remember when that number used to be like 200 million or 500 million? Stocks up 1.5% pre-market trading. If we take a look at GameStop, I'm kind of sick and tired of talking about this stock, but I do want to report here that they continue to have some Reddit momentum. But more importantly, this stock here, there's now a sentiment that the Chewy CEO has brought in a play to kind of shift the company completely onto the e-commerce world. They're going to take their expertise in e-commerce and bring that to GameStop. If GameStop's able to obviously convert their revenue model to e-commerce, who knows what might happen to the stock. But regardless, that stock had a wild week, and it continues to be up today. Let's take a look at those pre-market numbers. The dollar's down 3 basis points, trading right around 79 cents. Dow futures up 83 to 31,545. If we take a look at gold is down $10, trading at $16.90. That's per ounce. And oil is up 1 penny, trading at $66.10 US.